we want to look at how to launch an Excel workbook. It's very important to know how to launch an Excel workbook, because if you are a beginner or this is your first time you're going to use Excel, you should know how to simply launch an Excel workbook. There are several ways of launching an Excel workbook. When we say launching an Excel workbook, we want to see how to just get the interface of Excel that you can work with. So with the first ways to launch an Excel workbook, so at your desktop, you just right click. So once you right click, you go to new, then you go to Microsoft Excel worksheet. So you click on it. So you can see that it has created a file over here. So you double click on it. So once you double click, it launches you to an Excel workspace, or to the interface of an Excel that you can start working. So that is the first option that you can launch an Excel workbook. Another way is to pin the Excel file at your taskbar. So in this case, I just double click and then drag it to my taskbar, and then you can see that pin to Excel. So I will just pin it. So now I have my Excel pinned to my taskbar. So if I want to launch it, I just click on it once, and then it launch, or it take me to a new workspace where I can work. Another way is that at my desktop, I'll go to my Windows. Either I click here or I use the key Windows. Then I search. So I'll search for Excel. So in this case, I'll search for Excel. So once I found it, so I'll just click on it. So once I click on it, it takes me to an Excel workbook, or a space, or the interface that I can start working with. The last option that I'm going to show you is an online means. In case you don't have Microsoft Office installed on your computer, you can still use Excel that is online. So you open any browser, you can use either Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Opera. In this case, I'm going to use Opera. So I'll open my browser. Once I open my browser, I'll type Microsoft Office Online. So once I click on it, then I'll click on login, that is Office 365 login. So it takes me here, so I have to sign in over here. So in case I don't have an account, then I have to create an account. So I have to sign in here. I already have an account name, ronasacademy@gmail.com. So I already have an account. So in this case, I just click on sign in, and then I will sign in by providing. Okay, so I've already signed in, so it automatically takes me to this place. But in case you don't have a Microsoft Office account, then you have to create an account, and then you create your password. So in this case, once I've gotten this interface, I will come to the left side. So I can see the left side, I have all the Microsoft Office packages over here, from Word up to the last one. So you have a lot of them, all Skype, everything that every Microsoft Office suite can be found here. So yeah, my focus is on Excel. So I'll just click on Excel. Once I click on Excel, it takes me here, and I click on new to take you to an Excel workbook. So with here, I have the interface that I can start working with once it's finished loading. So here, I have the interface that I can easily start working with. So this is basically the various ways that you can launch Excel for the first time. So for beginning, if you want to launch an Excel, or you want to get to the Excel interface, this is the various means that is available for you to launch into an Excel, interface to work with.